Ever since Reliance Jio announced its plan to launch a 4G smartphones or a 5G smartphones India, both Airtel and Vodafone Idea, that is we, are trying their level best to cope up with the situation. In fact, we is reportedly planning to bring affordable smartphones in the country. The telecom operator is working with OEMs and finance companies to launch new devices. Notably, this is not the first time that any telecom operator or any telecom company has planned on bringing bundled devices in the country. Earlier, Airtel and Vodafone Idea joined hands with several handset makers, in fact with Chinese players, to offer data benefits to its prepaid users. As I've mentioned before, that this announcement or this development comes a day after Reliance Jio announced its plan to offer content, shopping, discount benefits on the upcoming Vivo smartphone, especially Y1S. The Vivo Y1S smartphone is expected to be priced under 8,000 rupees. It is also worth mentioning that Vodafone Idea has lost millions of customers ever since the merger has been announced. So joining hands with OEMs and finance companies are likely to help the operator to attract new users towards this platform. Additionally, the company is looking for more partnership or more ways or offers for its prepaid and postpaid customers. Apart from joining hands with companies, the telecom operator is planning to increase its tariff soon. However, it plans to raise tariff might reduce its customer base in the coming days. On the other hand, the analysts believe that the company might increase prices in few circles initially. They said, on a standalone basis, we cannot sustain tariff hike as it may end up losing more subscribers. Tariff hike has to be on an industry level, and if not, then it may have to roll back the increased prices due to acceleration in subscribe loss. So guys, that's all from our side for today. Keep watching Gizboard and thank you so much.